If you're comparing Connecteam and Deputy, their AI tools are now just as important as scheduling and time tracking. In this video, I'm going to show you how their AI features stack up side by side so you can actually see which one fits the way your team works. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome back to my channel where I share practical tools to help you lead and manage your team with confidence. In today's video, we're comparing Connecteam and Deputy, but with a specific focus on AI features. We'll look at how each platform presents itself, what the official comparison page shows, and then dive into real AI workflows for scheduling, operations, and communication. Okay, a lot to do. Connecteam is sponsoring this video, but everything you're about to see is based on what both platforms show publicly, so you can compare them like a buyer would. Let's start with Connecteam's own comparison page because it sets the stage really before we zoom in on AI. This is Connecteam's comparison page where they lay out pricing, features, and more side by side. I'll point out a few things that stand out. Starting with price, that's a big call out here. Connecteam offers a free plan for up to 10 users, while Deputy's core plan starts at a paid tier with no free version for that team size. What about for more users? Connecteam uses a flat bundled model. So for example, a team of 25 on the advanced plan pays $49 a month total, whereas Deputy charges per user per module, so costs scale up faster as your team grows. Across the feature breakdown, Connecteam comes out ahead in time tracking and location enforcement, PTO and leave management, task management and checklists, communication tools, HR and training tools, and overall usability, while Deputy leads on native integrations with payroll and POS systems. Both platforms score highly on major review sites, but Connecteam's ratings come from a larger user base, and the guide highlights its mobile-first design and simplicity as a key strength for frontline teams. In the verdict, the article recommends Deputy for very large multi-location organizations that need deep AI scheduling and labor forecasting, and recommends Connecteam as the more cost-effective, mobile-friendly choice if you want to centralize scheduling, time tracking, compliance, and communication in one app. So the foundation here is clear. Connecteam positions itself as the more affordable all-in-one option. Now let's zoom specifically into AI because that's where both companies are investing heavily right now. Both platforms now have an AI assistant, but they're built for slightly different jobs. Connecteam leans into helping frontline employees find answers, while Deputy leans into taking actions on schedules. Let me show you the difference. On Connecteam's site, you'll see AI agent under your settings. This is described as kind of like an AI sidekick in the chat that helps employees find anything without the search. The idea is simple. Team members can ask about safety steps, manuals, care procedures, or stock info, and the AI pulls answers straight from your company's resources or your knowledge base within Connecteam. That's powerful for deskless workers who don't have time to dig through documents, and it reduces guesswork and keeps information consistent across your team. Over on Deputy's AI page, they highlight Deputy AI Assistant as your most trusted teammate that can find, think, and do for you. Here, the assistant is framed more around actions, responding to schedule changes, surfacing insights, and taking care of approvals, often without extra clicks. So at a high level, Connecteam's AI agent is built to help people in the field get answers from internal knowledge, while Deputy's AI assistant is designed to help managers and schedulers take the right actions quickly. Which one is better depends on your reality. If your biggest headache is frontline staff needing clear instructions, Connecteam's approach will feel very natural. If your priority is automation around scheduling decisions, well, Deputy leans more in that direction. Now, once you understand how their assistants are positioned, the next logical question is scheduling. Both of these platforms are known for scheduling, but their AI goes a step further. Scheduling is where AI can save a huge amount of time and money. Connecteam calls this your scheduling genius, and Deputy goes deep on AI labor optimization. Let's look at how each one works based on what they show. You've got a few ways of saving time with scheduling in Connecteam, like copy from previous week or load week from template. But the scheduling genius that we're talking about, and my favorite AI-powered feature, is right here, auto assign week. The AI looks at availability, roles, fairness, and your requirements, then builds a schedule designed to keep employees happy and reduce admin work. For teams that have been building schedules manually or in spreadsheets, this can cut hours of repetitive work and reduce coverage mistakes. Deputy positions AI scheduling as a full labor optimization engine. Their AI labor forecasting is designed to align staff levels with demand, budget, and compliance rules. On their Deputy AI page, you'll see features like AI shift coverage, where it acts instantly on schedule gaps and approvals. AI fills missing shifts, which finds and assigns replacements. And AI creates rosters, which builds schedules from templates or patterns. So if you're a manager looking for fast, fair schedules with AI help, both platforms deliver. Connecteam focuses on making scheduling simple for deskless teams, while Deputy leans into more complex multi-location labor forecasting and compliance. Scheduling isn't the only place AI can help. Connecteam, in particular, has invested heavily in AI around forms, reporting, and daily operations, which is a big deal if your team lives in checklists and field reports. If your team uses forms, checklists, or reports all day, the way AI supports that workflow really matters. This is one of the biggest gaps between the two platforms. So here we'll use Create from File. This lets you upload a file like a Word doc, PDF, or spreadsheet, or even take a photo of a paper form, and AI turns it into a digital fillable version your team can complete on mobile. That means you can digitize existing processes quickly, no rebuilding forms from scratch, and no more chasing handwritten paperwork. Next is Smart Voice Input. Team members can speak into a form instead of typing. AI captures, summarizes, and sorts the input on the spot. For frontline roles where people are driving, operating machinery, or moving around a site, this is designed to reduce distractions while still collecting detailed information. Deputy's AI features in this area show up more around time and attendance. On their site, they highlight AI timesheet approvals, which auto-approve on-schedule timesheets and flag only the exceptions that need review. They also mention AI attendance and breaks monitoring, which shows who's on shift now and flags missed breaks or late clock-ins, plus facial recognition from AI for fast, secure clock-ins. So Connecteam puts AI directly into operations and field reporting with file to form and voice input, while Deputy applies AI to attendance accuracy and auditing. Now, the last piece of this comparison is training and communication. Each platform uses AI to keep your team aligned and up to speed. Training and communication can eat up a lot of time, especially when you work with a large deskless team or across multiple locations. Both platforms now use AI to make this part easier, but in different ways. Connecteam's AI Course Creator takes any topic and turns it into a full course. You describe the subject, and AI builds a professional level course that you can refine and publish to your team. That's ideal if you need training on safety, procedures, or onboarding and don't have time to create everything from scratch. Connecteam also offers AI updates and translate, which helps you write clearer team updates and automatically translates them into each employee's preferred language. For multi-language teams, this reduces misunderstandings and makes sure everyone receives the same message at the same time. Deputy's AI, on the other hand, leads into HR and people insights. They promote an AI job description writer that helps you create tailored, inclusive job ads in seconds, making hiring easier. Their AI recognition engine analyzes kudos messages to uncover themes, cultural drivers, and your most recognized team members, giving managers insight into who's performing well and what behaviors to reward. So Connecteam uses AI to create training and improve communication, especially for teams with language differences, while Deputy uses AI to support hiring, recognition, and people analytics. From what both companies show publicly, Connecteam positions itself as the all-in-one AI-powered app for deskless teams with strong coverage across scheduling, time tracking, forms, communication, and training, plus a clear pricing advantage, especially for smaller teams and those under 30 employees. Deputy positions itself as the complete people platform for hourly work with AI that goes very deep on labor forecasting, compliance, timesheets, and enterprise-level scheduling. Now, if you want to learn more about Connecteam's AI tools, I've linked to everything below. Remember, Connecteam is free for up to 10 users, and if your team is bigger than that, definitely try it with a 14-day free trial. Plus, their 24/7 live chat support is excellent, and that is something the Deputy doesn't have. Anyways, I'm Pallen. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.